Today, we're debunking some common cleaning myths that you might still believe. Just like when we hold on to unnecessary items, these myths clutter our minds and prevent us from achieving true cleaning joy. Let's face it, cleaning can be a daunting task. We often cling to familiar methods, even if they aren't the most effective. But by letting go of these misconceptions, we can simplify our cleaning routines and create a more serene and joyful living environment. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. So, are you ready to tidy up your cleaning routine and discover a world of sparkling possibilities? Let's get going! Vinegar, a pantry staple, is often touted as a miracle cleaner. And while it does possess natural cleaning properties, it's not the universal solution some believe it to be. Think of vinegar as a helpful friend, but one with limitations. Its acidic nature makes it effective for removing mineral deposits and tackling grime in certain areas. However, using vinegar on everything can do more harm than good. For instance, its acidity can dull granite countertops and etch natural stone surfaces. Imagine pouring vinegar on your beautiful stone countertop, hoping for a sparkling shine, only to find it dulled and etched. That wouldn't spark joy, would it? Instead, reserve vinegar for tasks like cleaning your coffee maker, descaling shower heads, or removing hard water stains from faucets. These are tasks that spark joy for vinegar, where its strengths truly shine. Remember, just as we cherish each item for its purpose, we should use cleaning agents where they are most effective. For delicate surfaces and everyday cleaning, opt for gentle cleaners specifically designed for the task. These cleaners are formulated to provide effective cleaning without causing damage, sparking joy with their gentle touch. So, embrace the power of vinegar wisely and let it bring joy to your cleaning routine in the areas where it truly excels. We often associate foamy bubbles with effective cleaning. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that more soap equals a cleaner surface. But just like having too many possessions can lead to clutter, using too much soap can have the opposite effect. Imagine this: you squeeze a generous amount of soap, creating a mountain of suds. While it might seem like you're giving your surfaces a thorough clean, the excess soap can actually leave behind a sticky residue. This residue, instead of repelling dirt, acts like a magnet, attracting and trapping more grime. Your once sparkling surfaces become dull and attract dirt more quickly, creating more work for you in the long run. Instead of chasing bubbles, opt for the gentle power of just enough soap. A small amount, enough to create a light lather, is all you need to lift away dirt and grime effectively. Think of it like finding the perfect balance in your home. Too many items create chaos, while too few can feel empty. Similarly, the right amount of soap cleanses and refreshes without leaving behind unwanted residue. Remember, true cleanliness lies in simplicity. By using the right amount of soap, you can achieve sparkling clean surfaces without the worry of attracting more dirt. Bleach, with its potent disinfecting properties, often takes center stage in our cleaning arsenals. It's a household staple, known for its ability to kill germs and bacteria with remarkable efficiency. While it's true that bleach can effectively eliminate germs and bacteria, it's important to remember that disinfecting is not the same as cleaning. Cleaning involves removing dirt and debris, while disinfecting involves killing harmful microorganisms. Think of bleach as a powerful warrior, bravely fighting off invisible enemies. It stands guard, ready to protect us from the unseen dangers lurking on our surfaces. It excels at killing germs and sanitizing surfaces, protecting our homes from harmful bacteria. This makes it an invaluable tool in maintaining a hygienic environment, especially in areas prone to contamination. However, when it comes to tackling everyday dirt, grime, and stains, bleach falls short. It's not designed to handle the physical removal of soil and debris that accumulate from daily activities. It's like asking a warrior to perform delicate surgery. Their strengths lie elsewhere. Bleach's harsh chemicals can be too aggressive for certain tasks, leading to unintended consequences. Using bleach on dirt and grime can sometimes worsen the problem. Instead of cleaning, it can cause discoloration or damage to surfaces, making the cleaning process even more challenging. Its harsh chemicals can set stains, making them even more difficult to remove. This is particularly true for organic stains, which can react with bleach and become more stubborn. Imagine spilling coffee on your countertop and reaching for the bleach. It seems like a quick fix, but it can backfire. Instead of lifting the stain, the bleach reacts with the coffee, setting it deeper into the surface. This reaction can make the stain more permanent and harder to clean. It's a cleaning mishap that sparks anything but joy. The frustration of dealing with set-in stains can be avoided by using the right cleaning products for the job. Reserve bleach for its true calling, disinfecting surfaces like cutting boards, sinks, and toilet bowls. These are areas where its germ-killing power is most needed and effective. Let it be the guardian of hygiene, protecting your home from unseen threats. Use it wisely and sparingly, ensuring it serves its purpose without causing harm. For everyday cleaning, choose cleaning agents specifically designed to tackle dirt, grime, and stains. These products are formulated to lift away soil without damaging surfaces. Embrace the right tools for the right tasks, and your home will thank you. Before we move on, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. For years, the idea of using newspapers to clean windows has been passed down through generations. It's a tip that many of us have heard from our parents or grandparents, a seemingly clever way to recycle old newspapers while keeping our windows spotless. While it might seem like a thrifty and readily available option, this cleaning myth leaves much to be desired. The reality is often far from the sparkling results we hope for. Imagine this. You've just finished cleaning your windows with newspapers, anticipating a crystal clear view. You step back, expecting to see the world outside in perfect clarity. But as you step back, you're greeted by streaks and lint clinging stubbornly to the glass. Instead of the pristine windows you envisioned, you see a mess of smudges and streaks. Instead of enhancing the sparkle, the newspapers have added a layer of frustration. The effort you put into cleaning feels wasted, and the windows look worse than before. Newspapers, with their rough texture and ink residue, are more likely to leave behind streaks and smudges than to create a sparkling clean finish. The ink can smear across the glass, creating more work for you. It can also transfer onto your window frames and hands, adding to the cleaning woes. You might find yourself scrubbing not just the windows, but also your hands and the surrounding areas. Instead of relying on this outdated method, embrace the joy of microfiber cloths. These modern cleaning tools are designed to make your life easier and your windows cleaner. These soft, lint-free cloths are specifically designed to leave your windows sparkling clean and streak-free. They attract and hold dust and dirt, ensuring a thorough clean. Think of microfiber cloths as gentle hands, delicately polishing your windows to perfection. They glide smoothly over the glass, removing grime without leaving any residue. They effortlessly lift away dirt and grime, leaving behind a crystal-clear shine that sparks joy every time you glance outside. Your windows will look as if they were cleaned by a professional. So let go of the newspaper myth and embrace the modern solution. Microfiber cloths are not just a trend, they are a proven method for achieving spotless windows. Microfiber cloths, with their superior cleaning power, will transform your window cleaning routine, leaving you with sparkling clean windows and a sense of accomplishment. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to a clearer, brighter view. In a world of instant gratification, it's easy to fall into the trap of expecting immediate results, even when it comes to cleaning. We live in an age where everything is expected to be fast and efficient, from our internet speeds to our food delivery. This mindset often extends to our cleaning habits as well. We often apply a cleaning product and immediately wipe it away, hoping for instant cleanliness. The idea of waiting even a few minutes can seem like an eternity when we're in a rush. However, just as a seed needs time to blossom, most cleaning products require time to work their magic. Just like you wouldn't expect a plant to grow overnight, you shouldn't expect cleaning products to work instantly. Think of cleaning products as tiny cleaning fairies, diligently breaking down dirt and grime. These microscopic workers need time to do their job effectively. When we give them enough time to work, they can effectively lift away dirt and leave our surfaces sparkling clean. The results are often much better than if we had rushed the process. Rushing the process, on the other hand, is like interrupting the fairies in the middle of their work. It's like pulling a cake out of the oven before it's fully baked. They don't have enough time to loosen the dirt and grime, resulting in a less than satisfactory clean. The surface may look clean at first glance, but a closer inspection reveals the truth. Instead of rushing through your cleaning routine, embrace the power of patience. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to slow down. Apply your cleaning products and allow them to sit for a few minutes. This simple act of patience can make a world of difference. This dwell time gives the cleaning agents a chance to penetrate dirt and grime, making them easier to wipe away. The longer you let them sit, the more effective they become. Imagine spraying your bathroom cleaner and stepping back to let it work its magic. You can use this time to tidy up other areas or simply take a short break. As you attend to other tasks, the cleaning fairies are busy breaking down soap scum and grime, preparing your bathroom for a sparkling transformation. It's like having a team of invisible helpers working alongside you. By incorporating patience into your cleaning routine, you'll be amazed by the results. The difference is often night and day, with surfaces looking much cleaner and brighter. Your cleaning products will work more effectively, leaving your surfaces truly clean and you with a sense of satisfaction. So next time you clean, remember to give those tiny fairies the time they need to work their magic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks. Remember, just like tidying up our homes, debunking cleaning myths can bring a sense of calm and order to our lives. By letting go of these misconceptions, we can approach cleaning with a fresh perspective and achieve truly sparkling results. Embrace the joy of a clean and clutter-free home, both in your physical space and in your cleaning routine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.